Right, I am so sure that you guys would know how to solve this question by now. This is balancing chemical equations, and let's get it done. Ammonia plus O2 to give NO plus H2O. So looking at this, I would definitely want to balance oxygen last. So that O2 is the last thing I'll touch. Let us try to balance nitrogen. Oh, one nitrogen on the left, one nitrogen on the right. That looks good. Looks balanced. Hydrogen 3 and 2. Okay, I can switch those numbers. I can basically put a 2 here and a 3 here for the sake of hydrogen to balance it out. So now that I've done that, the 2 that I placed here has affected my nitrogen. So I'll just make it 2 over here as well to balance the nitrogen. Now I can deal with the oxygen. So on the right hand side here, I have 2 and I have 3, right? Meaning I have 5 oxygen atoms on the right. So I'll just come here and write 5 over 2 in order to make my oxygen also 5 right there. Does that make sense? Okay, because all that will be left now would be to multiply through by 2. So let's multiply through by 2 and we'll just have 4NH3. So this stuff is pretty simple, right? 5O2 and this is 4NO and this is 3 times 2 is 6 H2O. This is the end of the question. You can see it's pretty easy, right? So what questions do you have? Send them to me on Instagram, copy_chemistry. Okay, if you have questions, you can send them to me on Instagram and we'll be helping you out with it. Subscribe if you're seeing this on YouTube and share this video with your friends. Okay, I'll see you on 45.